Hello class, my name is Rodrigo Guerrero, and the topic for this week is flipping the classroom. So what is a flipped classroom? According to research titled The Flipped Classroom, a survey of the research, the flipped classroom is defined as inverting the classroom, means that events that have traditionally taken place now take place outside the classroom, and vice versa. Another definition of flipped classroom is found in the article In Flipped Classroom, Teachers Lecture Online, Use Class for Practice defines it as classroom structure in which students learn concept outside class, leaving more time to practice with teachers and peers during school. In other words, flipped classroom means normally what teachers would assign for homework, they are done in the classroom, where students collaborate to complete assignments. Moreover, lectures are viewed in the comfort of their home through online website. Justin Wright asked two fundamental questions about the classroom. The first question is, what is the best way for teachers to use their time, especially the very precious time they have in the classroom with students? Basically, a flipped classroom is about ensuring that students collaborate and teachers are there to aid the development of their students. The second question is, what are the kinds of direct instruction they can provide that can be digitized so people can see them again? Now, of course, this is one of the greatest concerns, where online lectures assigned for homework must be accessible to students in order for the flipped classroom to be successful. What does a flipped classroom look like? Currently, Clintondale High School outside of Detroit has become the first school in the United States to fully integrate a flipped classroom. Over the 3 years of implementing the flipped classroom in Clintondale's curriculum, SAT scores have risen up the national average, increase in graduation rates, and mixed results on state testing. Since students complete lectures at home, students have the ability to collaborate in classrooms. Moreover, teachers are able to incorporate an active learning in the classroom setting. Which studies have been conducted on flipped classroom methods? According to the U.S. Department of Education, their analysis found that blended learning was a more effective way students could learn. Blended learning is connected with flipped classroom, where lectures are viewed through online websites and students are able to collaborate in classrooms. Additional research is needed to examine the influence of flipped classroom instruction on objective learning outcomes. It is suggested that in order to ensure progress, future research on flipped classroom should include control studies that examine students' performance throughout a semester. There has been effective research conducted on the effectiveness of flipped classrooms in the curriculum. Nevertheless, there needs to be more substantial results. Reactions. Through all the readings this week, it can be concluded that a flipped classroom setting does more good than harm. Nevertheless, there still needs to be more studies conducted to record the overall results of a flipped classroom. The whole concept or method of flipped classroom is relatively new in school's curriculum. Therefore, there still needs to be new methods to integrating such methods in the classroom. I do like the fact that a blending learning environment promotes collaboration and teachers are able to incorporate active learning. Both collaboration and active learning are essential to obtaining the best learning experience in school settings. Overall, I feel that a flipped classroom setting is beneficial to students by providing an opportunity for collaboration and active learning.